Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today I want to share the most powerful dietary tips based on the best science for reducing belly fat. The fat that even in small amounts increases the risk of a litany of chronic diseases as well as an earlier death. 1. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods with a strong focus on plant foods high in both soluble fiber and protein. Both are awesome for appetite control and reducing cravings. Beans, peas, lentils, flax, chia, and hemp seeds, along with tofu and tempeh, which is a form of fermented soy, are awesome choices here. Number 2, limit added sugars and refined carbs, what I refer to as the great white hazards. White flour products, white rice, white potatoes, sugar, and sweets, especially sugary beverages. Eating these foods leads to rapid spikes in blood sugar, contributing to cravings and fat storage, particularly around the belly. Number 3, incorporate healthy fats. So eat more omega-3 fats. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation that drives belly fat storage, and omega-3 fats also support fat loss. Add monounsaturated fats, foods like olive oil, avocados, and nuts, because they can help reduce belly fat when they are consumed in moderation. Number 4, stay consistent with a healthy, sustainable diet. Fad diets that cause rapid weight loss may result in muscle loss or an unhealthy metabolism. Following a balanced, long-term nutrition plan focused on whole, nutrient-dense foods, especially plant foods, is essential for lasting fat loss. Lastly, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps with overall metabolism, digestion, and reduces bloating, all contributing to a leaner belly. If science-backed truths about healthy living are important to you, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this message with someone you love. Thank you.